limit n tends to infinity, 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7, likewise. So 1 by 2n plus 1 into 1 by 2n plus 3, right? Basically, it is 1 by the product of consecutive odd numbers, and n is tending to infinity. So here we have to recognize a telescoping series. Right, telescoping series, each term can be written as difference of two terms which are consecutive terms. For example, like this. So where the consecutive terms cancel out each other. So for example, 1 by 1 by 3, this we can write it as 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3, because 3 minus 1, this 3 minus 1 is 2, we can write it as half of this. Right. Right, half of this is actually 1 by 1 into 3. Similarly, 5 minus 3 is 2. So if I write 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5, we will get 2 by 3 into 5. Right, 1 by 3 minus 5. 1 by 5 is 2 by 3 into 5. We want 1 by 3 into 5. So half of this is actually half of 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 is actually equal to this. Similarly, half of 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7. 1 by 7. Right. Similarly, half of 1 by 2n plus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 3. Right. This is a telescoping series. Now all of this will get cancelled. Right. The second term and the first term. The second term and the first term. The second term and the first term. Except the very first one and very last one. Everything else will get cancelled. What will be left? We will be left with limit n tends to infinity. This half of 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 3. When n tends to infinity, this tends to 0. Right. 1 by 2n plus 3 will do, this will tend to 0. Half of 1 is actually equal to half. Right. We have to recognize this telescoping series. Earlier also we had done a similar problem. This one, 1 by 1 into 2, 1 by 2 into 3, likewise. 2 minus 1 is actually equal to 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. Instead of half, we are directly showing this as difference. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. All of this will get cancelled except the very first one and the very last one. 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. So this series is equal to 1. Half of this series is equal to this, which is half. Right, guys? This series and this series are very much similar. This is called telescoping series. We have to identify this and show this as difference of two terms so that they cancel each other. Right, guys? Thank you.